This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make creme brulee matcha step by step. Preheat the oven and set a water bath while you measure ingredients carefully, then whisk yolks and sugar gently. Heat cream with matcha and vanilla until steaming, temper the eggs, and strain for silky texture. Pour into ramekins, bake in a water bath until just set, chill thoroughly, then torch sugar to a glassy, crisp finish. Warm the cream slowly and whisk in sifted matcha until fully dissolved so the flavor blooms without bitterness. Keep the mixture below boiling to preserve delicate notes, then cool slightly before tempering into the egg yolks to avoid curdling. Strain the infused cream to remove any particles for an ultra-smooth custard. Pour into prepared ramekins, cover, and bake in a gentle water bath for even cooking and a silky set. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and efficient cleaning so you can focus on baking, not sweeping. It even helps collect stray sugar and crumbs after dessert prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you love smarter cleaning, give it a try. Now let's get back to the video. Bake the ramekins in a water bath at low temperature until the centers wobble slightly, indicating a creamy set, then cool and chill for at least 2 hours to fully develop texture and flavor. When ready, sprinkle a thin, even layer of sugar and use a torch to caramelize to a crisp, glassy surface without burning. Let the tops rest briefly so the caramel hardens, then serve with light garnish for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.